What's up guys? Today I'm gonna install world cheapest car radio player. That's the cheapest new car radio player that you can buy. Let's get to it. So for that price you have the radio player. As we can see, it's really small and the plastic seems really cheap, but let's try it out. You also get the cables, remote control for steering wheel, and comes with two of these little tools to extract the old one. So on this French Picasso, all I needed to do is put 4 rods and you can pull the old one back. So I just disconnected the old one, lost all the cables, don't do it again, and looks like it's different. I need to get rid of that thing. Again. A moment. So basically guys, you need to find your own diagram for your car. That's mine, the old one. And then you need to match it up with the instruction that come with the radio. And then cut every single one of them and make a match with the new ones. So it's gonna take so much time. I'm gonna show you for one cable and then I'm gonna speed it up. Here we are, half an hour later. Finally connected everything. So I had to use the manual and connect every one of them like they should be. You put little numbers for every color because my radio comes with numbers, so I made a match with the colors. And there's some stuff that I don't need to use, like there's a plus for the antenna, but I don't even have that on my original one, so I cannot match them up. So let's try it like that. Crazy fancy LCD display. So to connect the Bluetooth you need to turn it on and then you select mode for Bluetooth and it's gonna be named Car BT. And honestly not that bad for that price. So for the controller you need to put batteries in, AAA, and then it comes with that little strap that you can put on your steering wheel. But since I have a fixed one, it's gonna get in the way, so I'm just gonna glue it right here. So big disappointment in the controller. You don't have any range at all. You really need to be super close for the infrared to work. I cannot operate it from my steering wheel, or even there, or I really need to be super close and pointed like that. So the remote is completely useless for me. So guys, would I recommend it? I don't know. It's really cheap, really annoying. Controller doesn't work. It's really easier to get an FM transceiver for like €3. You can have one of those, and it's really easier. You don't have to deal with all the crap. But if you want to upgrade the car, to maybe sell it and advertise that he has Bluetooth, it's a really cheap option and it works. So that's it for today. Bye.